The Plotcast Podcast with the Potty Plotters.
Hello and welcome to Season 2 of the Potty Plotters Plotcast Podcast.
Season 2. Well, nevertheless, I'm Elaine.
And I'm Julia. Or, to put it another way, I'm Elaine.
You're not. No, I'm Elaine. I'm Elaine. I'm not Julia. You're Julia. I'm Elaine.
Oh, goodness.
Don't forget to get in touch with us. Now, this is something we had a little bit of trouble with last year, Julia. And don't forget, you can get in touch with us at any time via our social channels, whatever they may be.
And you can also email us at the naughtycorner, pottyplotters.uk.
No.
Or you can email us at
naughtycorner
at pottyplotters.uk. No, it's not at, is it? No.
Did we say?
Yeah.
But we've been rehearsing whilst we've been away.
You have, I haven't.
No, I've not really, because I still can't do it. But here they
Nice,
come.
because Gareth's here, aren't you?
I know. It's like homework, isn't it? But anyway, let's have a go. Instagram, Facebook and Kiss.
It's not a kiss. It's a cross.
Okay. Formerly Twitter at Potty Plotters.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
Now then. Gareth sometimes updates TikTok. I haven't got a clue what it is. I still don't know.
They're sweets that rattle on.
Well, yeah, I think that he could be showing us, you know. Or is it that we're just too dangerous? Yes, he's nodding.
Yeah.
OK, then. And we're at the Potty Plotters.
And, of course, you can email us naughtycorner at pottyplotters.uk. And we do get lots of emails.
We do. And our website, people have been looking at that as well. Only because I've been told. I don't know how to check it or anything. But our website is pottyplotters.uk.
The Plotcast Podcast with the Potty Plotters.
For those of you who've just stumbled across us, let's tell you a little bit about us.
Well, where to start? So we're just two slightly bonkers, some would say more than, bonkers women who have neighbouring allotments on a 9.5 acre. That's massive.
Yeah.
172 plot holders in the centre of Derby.
Yes.
A little oasis, Julia, more like a little village that nobody knows about.
It is until we're on it, and then it gets quite loud. But our site is prone for flooding, and it also gets quite windy. But that's just because Elaine is a very emotional person, and I love brassicas.
Can't help it. But we've got no horticultural training, although I was brought up on allotments, so mine was sort of from a child, I suppose.
Yes, you did grow up in an allotment, didn't you? And that might explain why you're so tall. Were you put in the muck heap?
I lived on a muck heap. Every Saturday I used to clean that muck heap out.
No wonder you had no friends.
So we're about to come back after our short break that we were allowed by Gareth, obviously. Over 16,000 of you listened and downloaded season 1. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
You can say thank you as well.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
then.
you.
Thank you.
Season 2 will start on February the 7th, and alongside all the hints and tips,
we'll have recipes and, well, I reckon that we'll have some good folk to talk to this time. So some right good people who know what they're on about. Probably got horticultural qualifications and stuff as well.
Yeah, we might learn a thing or two, eh? Anyway, there might be some bits like these.
If you hear that noise, it's our flap.
You're odd. Very.
Oh, you cheeky monkey.
Do you remember once we nearly flew some bloomers over my tangerinery? Well, the strawberries again have been relocated. They've been moved around my plot because the most important thing when you've got your strawberries in is A, they like the sunshine, but B, when the fruit is growing, you need to make sure they've got enough moisture. And stop laughing, you are so
only laughing,
naughty.
Julie, because this is no way I can actually feel something poking in my chest. Now then, I wouldn't normally carry on talking if we were doing something else, but actually I've got an underwire that is actually poking in my neck. Actually pulled it out. I feel much happier now. You couldn't make this up, could you? You really couldn't, but I feel much safer.
We could use that Latin or something, couldn't we? Anyway, yeah. So
what's listening?
So the strawberries need to be near moisture, and we're the Potty Plotters, aren't we?
We certainly are.
Well, if you found us, thank you for finding us.
And if you haven't, why don't you just have a look on our Potty Plotters podcast and Potty Plotters. Let's start all over again, because actually I'm waffling anyway, and I don't know why I'm saying it.
So bye for now, and don't forget to set your alarms for season 2 from February the 7th. It would have been nice if it'd been the 14th.
That's when birds get married, isn't it?
Well, I'm just thinking of Valentine's, that was all. I was just thinking chocolate, obviously. But anyway, Julia, that's flown past your little head, so it doesn't matter, and I didn't mean to wake you up. And since we've been away, all I can tell you is that some people might have forgotten how to subscribe. So make sure that you do. I'm looking at you,
and your
Julia. Podcast? What's that?
And your podcast players might have forgotten us as well. That's very rude, isn't it? Why would that happen?
Does that happen?
Gareth says so.
And he's nodding.
Yeah.
Off.
Anyway, see you soon. When your outtakes are bigger than your intakes.
The Plotcast Podcast with the Potty Plotters is an Amberland Media production.